Unlimited data from AT&T for $360 per year. Now available for almost any RVer who wants it. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. Now last summer, Airstream and AT&T partnered up and offered a new unlimited data plan for $360 per year, prepaid, if you bought a brand new expensive Airstream. Earlier this year, they rolled that out to all Airstream owners as long as you had a dealer installed $999 connected kit. Now this week, Thor Industries and one of their other partners have come together to create a new partnership, and through their to-go, is what they're calling it, they are launching a new device called the Togo Roadlink C2. Now this is based on the WineGuard Connect T 2.0. It's a round dome that goes on the top of your RV that has both Wi-Fi as WAN and a cellular modem with antennas on top. This device is going to be priced at $399 and it is available now. It is pretty much the same exact device as the Connect T 2.0 that came out this time last year, except for it also has GPS locating available in it, which you can now control and find your RV and the new app that will come along with the device. Now this plan is only now available for Airstream owners who install the connected kit, or for those who purchase the Roadlink C2 at $399. It is not available with the WineGuard Connect T 2.0. So if you want this option, you do need to go with the new to-go option. Now to-go is a partnership with Thor Industries, who also owns Airstream, which is why they're able to get in on this AT&T Unlimited Adventure plan. There is another plan option available as well. It's called the Weekend Adventurer, and it's $25 per month and gives you 5 gigabytes of high-speed data. So that one is meant for those that don't need an unlimited data plan. Now the plan is on AT&T's prepaid network. It does include access to the domestic roaming partners, but your speeds will be slowed down to very slow speeds when you're roaming, and there are a really strict cap on it, so you might as well not even consider roaming on this network. The plan has no high-speed mobile hotspot caps, so there's no throttling or speed slowing down. There's no video throttling, but behind the scenes we are told that the plan is always subject to network management, which just means if you find yourself in a congested area, you may be experiencing slower speeds than other customers on the same network and towers. On AT&T, we've actually not heard too many reports of network management being an issue. It is a great option. You'll have to consider if you're willing to install this $400 roof-mounted device. The Roadlink, which is based on that Connect T 2.0, does have some limitations. It is a pretty low-end modem. It is only a Category 4. It does not have carrier aggregation, and it only supports a few key bands for AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile, but it does not support some of the newer bands that the carriers are rolling their coverage out on. You're not going to be getting a lot of the benefits of the latest LTE technology, but having the modem on the roof with the antennas right there does get past some of that speed performance and might counteract some of that. We do have some hands-on testing that we did with our members with the Connect T 2.0 last year, and since this is based on the same equipment, our members, we do encourage you to go look at that old review and see if this will meet your needs to make a determination. If it's worthwhile having this device, there are a lot of trade-offs, like you don't get an interior router modem, the Wi-Fi network is on the roof of your RV, and that is the only way to access your network that is created. The device also does have Wi-Fi as WAN, which means you can connect to a campground's Wi-Fi network or other Wi-Fi networks and bring that into your local networking as well. But go ahead and research further on it. We have more details and information. I will make sure that the link to our original unboxing video of the Connect T 2.0 is available on this video so that you can go and learn more about the hardware itself. But it is great to see AT&T specifically marketing data plans to RVers and understanding that we like unlimited data. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.